What's up, man? How long has it been since you've been working on your job? And tell us what type of job you ended up getting.
It's been 6 months.
Months, okay. And what's your role?
I'm a senior data analyst.
Senior data analyst, right out the gate, huh? And so
Yes.
tell us about your job. What is it that you do on your day-to-day? What is it?
All right. My day-to-day activities basically is just working on Power BI reports. I build report basically for the business. So I majorly use, let's say, 80% Power BI, then I use SQL as well to transform my data to fit my requirements. So majorly I use Power BI, then a little bit of SQL as well.
So tell us a little bit about your background. What did you do before you got to Colaberry, and how did you hear about Colaberry?
Okay, before Colaberry, I used to be a DoorDash, Amazon delivery guy. So basically, it's just a lot of delivering stuffs from work, driving the whole day, 7 days a week. It was hell, actually.
And so, how has your life changed in the past 6 months moving over into this field?
Well, financially, it's super, it's amazing financially, and timing. I have a lot of time for my family. I could go on vacation, I could purchase things that I want to, not thinking about, oh, where is the money, the finance is just so good, and it's really helpful, and I really have time for myself. My work is hybrid. I don't have like 5 minutes.
Hybrid meaning you're going in the office part of the time and you're working from home part of the time?
Yes, so I work 3 days on site and I work 2 days from home. Yeah, it's been amazing.
Awesome. Fantastic. And so what, people potentially starting the class, April 1st, what's the biggest piece of advice you could give to them?
So my advice is you have to put in the effort. So the way Colaberry is set up is that it brings out the potentials in you. That means you can actually do that thing, but you really need to put in your own effort. They talked about the 10 to 15 hours out of the class. You need to really put in that effort and just keep on, because what you are learning in Colaberry, by the time you get to your workplace, in fact, you'll be quite very good at workplace that, the role, like, for instance, now my boss is not around and it's like, I'm just in charge of the data team, and somebody that just came in 6 months ago and I'm actually in charge of data team, and, what the value I'm delivering to the business is quite, beyond what they are expecting. So Colaberry give that platform. And so I'll just advise anyone to, stick to the curriculum, to the plan, do your assignments, be good at your own space, get over the class and work on your projects, your communication skills, and it's going to really be helpful.